Hello everyone, myself Aarti Chaudhary from 21st batch. Today I want to talk to you about a technical topic on cell. So cell it is a structural, functional and biological unit of the body. Then a structure of the cells. Cells have a thin outer layer called as the cell membrane, which controls what enters and exits the cells. Inside they contain jelly like substance called cytoplasm, where various structures organelles are float in their jelly like substance in cytoplasm. Then second is a nucleus. Most cell have a nucleus which acts like a controller central, containing DNA. DNA is a deoxyribonucleic acid that indicates how the cell functions or reproduces. Then second is the energy. Cells need energy to work, which they get process called as a respiration. This actually happens in an organelle called in the mitochondria. So mitochondria, it is the uh, uh, powerhouse of the cell, often refer to act as a cell's powerhouse. Then types, there are the two types of the cells, that is prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells like bacteria which don't have well developed nucleus, and eukaryotic cells means like plant animal cells which do have a well developed nucleus. Then the reproduction. So how the produce the cells reproduce by dividing one cell, split into two identical cells in process called as a mitosis for body cells or meiosis for reproductive cells. Then specialization. In multicellular organism, different cells have different roles. Means a number of the cells are present in our bodies like red blood cells, white blood cells. For example, red blood cells carry oxygen while nerve cell transmit the signal. This is the examples for another cells present in our body. So the parts of the cells, it is cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. It is the it is the components of the cell. So the parts of the cells. So the cell membrane, a thin layer that surrounded the cell and controls what goes in and out of the cells. Means it is a thin layer surrounded by cells. In the cell membrane, in this outer of the cell membranes, all organelles are present. So cell membrane, it is responsible for what enters in the cell or exist in the cell. Then cytoplasms are present in under the cells, a jelly like substance inside the cell where various parts floats. Means cytoplasm is responsible for the various parts are floating in their cytoplasm. Nucleus nucleus uh, nucleus often called the control center of the cell because it's hold the DNA is carry the genetic information, deoxyribonucleic acids. Then uh, the energy. Cells get energy from food. They have special parts like mitochondria. I also discussed the introduction of the cells. Mitochondria, it is the it is the powerhouse of the cell. Then they also present the endoplasmic reticulums. There are the two types of the endoplasmic reticulum. One is a rough endoplasmic reticulum and one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. um, rough endoplasmic reticulum responsible for protein synthesis, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum responsible for lipid synthesis. So this is the information about the cells, their structure and their components.